I got a few questions like this and I wanted to address it. Autumn has an intellectual disability, and she also has a protection order, meaning she doesn't understand danger. I do allow her to make her own breakfast, but I watch over her very closely. She doesn't understand the toaster is hot, and she will stick her hand directly into it and burn herself. She also doesn't understand what a stranger is, and she doesn't understand not to walk directly into traffic. This can be common for people with intellectual disabilities, but we do try to let her be as independent as possible.